So here I am, 20 Hunters Lane in Ellis Highlands subdivision. Getting ready to give you a nice tour. Let's go inside. And coming inside, this modern Colonial has a 2-story entry with tile floor, and you have formal dining room, kitchen, formal living room. They use currently as a home office. Ceiling fans pretty much in every room. You can see these newer hardwood floors the seller's installed. That's the door to the basement. And coming back around, big dining room, again with the hardwood floors. Big enough for a nice hutch. And of course, off the front side of the house with that great covered front porch. And coming back around, nicely set off the kitchen. Kitchen has newer appliances, stainless appliances, also with the hardwood floors. Breakfast bar, open to the great room, we're calling it, a little home office nook. Eat-in kitchen. Little knee wall right here to separate to the great room. And nice, 2 nice big windows overlooking the yard. This is an LP gas fireplace. The owners don't use it. They have young children, and so that's selling as is for the buyer to check out. If they want to use it, let's take a look at the yard. There's a lower deck and an upper deck. The upper deck has all new floorboards that you can see, and the railings. There's a fire pit area there. When the leaves fill in, you won't be able to see the neighbors, but you're private but not isolated. And don't have too many lights on. You can see how nice and bright it is. Again, here's the breakfast bar. Slider door goes out to this nice big back deck. Good for grilling all year round, actually. Nice big table area. Let's take a look at the yard. It's propane for the heat. Upper deck, lower deck, fire pit yard. All right, let's go back in the slider. Okay, and then off of the kitchen, we have laundry and half bath, and then mudroom and garage. So here's the laundry. Washer is going to go with them to their new home. The dryer will be staying. Here's the half bath. And then here is a really nice feature, the breezeway to the garage. We'll go take a quick look at the garage. It's a pretty standard 2-car garage. And there's a little workshop-y area and a door as well to the front. And the nice thing is 1 step, 2 steps, coat rack, 3 steps into the house. So easy access. I always think about the functionality. You come home with the groceries and what do you do with them? So that is the first floor of 20 Hunters Lane.